Stop. It's just a camera.
All right, Mariah. Well, everybody out there, I'm Dr. Dale Brown here at Marathon Chiropractic, a Maximized Living Health Center. This is Mariah, one of our favorite patients here. Mariah, and we'll ask Mariah's mom, Charlotte, as well, but Mariah, what kind of things did you have going on with your health when you first came in? Interference, yeah. She had interference, is exactly right. Charlotte, what kind of, what was she diagnosed down at Vanderbilt? She was actually down at Vanderbilt University here in Tennessee.
Yes, she was diagnosed with Crohn's disease at the age of 7, and she's 11 now. And she's been going through Remicade treatments, which were really serious treatments every 8 weeks.
So she did injections with Remicade?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a very dangerous medication, in fact.
Yeah.
She's diagnosed with Crohn's disease at 7 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Crohn's disease at 7. Now, since coming in and getting adjustments, what has happened?
Well, she hasn't had to actually get the Remicade injections.
So she doesn't need medications anymore.
I think it's been probably over 6 months now.
6 months now she hasn't needed the medications. That's awesome. And how's her Crohn's disease doing?
She hasn't complained about any belly pain, no, interference.
So no more belly pain like Crohn's disease patients will suffer with for literally for their entire life, many of them, because they can't find another answer. And medications tend to be the only answer they give people. I'm going to use this article real quick, and the amazing thing is I want to ask you this to finish this sentence for me, and make sure the camera can hear you.
Before you say that,
okay,
I want to say one thing.
Okay.
Every time we went in for her 6-month treatment or checkup,
they
would just walk in. The doctors would walk in the room in amaze because they see how tall she is.
Mm-hmm.
They see she's growing, and most Crohn's patients don't grow.
Wow! So they're amazed at how well she was developing in the last 6 months.
Actually, ever since she's been diagnosed.
Awesome. So. Well, good. And that's the thing, is she's a blessed little girl. And actually, she's a big girl now. So, here's the thing. Mariah, I want you to finish the sentence for me. Make sure the camera can hear you. God needs no help in healing. Just know what? No interference. That's exactly right. So her body's healing the way God intended it to, because we've been able to take pressure off her nerves in her spine where there was misalignments that we found that were blocking her brain from communicating with her digestive tract. And, for some of you out there, you may not understand exactly how, chiropractic care, and specifically Maximized Living Chiropractic Care, could help somebody with Crohn's disease. I do not treat Crohn's disease in any way. But what I can do, again, is taking the interference, removing interference, taking pressure off her nerves that go to her digestive tract. The medical doctors know this. This is off of WebMD. It's talking about IBS here, irritable bowel syndrome, but they actually grouped it together with Crohn's disease and other digestive issues. The experts said in this article, again, it's from WebMD, medical doctors who wrote this, say, experts believe that when you have IBS, there's a breakdown in the normal communication between your gut and your brain. Wow. So where would that be?
Nervous system.
That's your nervous system, exactly, in her spine. And another thing is, if you're out there taking those medications like she was, and I thank God that she came into the office and I met you at church, because you look at this article, bowel disease drugs increase cancer risk. So what they're doing, they knew no other answer. The doctors were very sincere about wanting to help her, but the thing is, their only answer was a medication that would actually increase her cancer risk in the future. So now that her body's healing the way God intended it to, we can hope for no cancer in her future, as long as she takes care of herself. Right, Mariah? Awesome. So God bless everybody. Be in good health.